This drill is to corner to elbow shot. So, pabalik-balik tayo, no? So, corner sa baseline and then elbow, no? So, back and forth siya hanggang sa matapos nyo yung drill, mga ka-ballers, no? So, we are practicing the movement of shooting, mga ka-ballers. Hindi pwede kasi na stagnant lang tayo. This drill is short corner to touch cone shot. Kung wala kayong passer, you just have to roll the ball, then shoot. Yung drill pala na to is ma-improve yung lateral speed nyo at the same time, yung balance and shooting mo. This drill is wing cone weave to shoot, no? So you have to place 4 cones and then you go forward, then backwards, and then pagpunta mo na dun sa last, you have to shoot the ball, no? So this drill will enhance your footwork at the same time yung balance and shooting para ma-improve yung overall shooting performance nyo. This drill is corner, center, corner, and back. So kailangan mo mag-shoot from those 3 spots. Hindi kayo pwede umalis sa corner kung hindi nyo pa na-shoot. And then kung wala kayong rebounder, you just have to grab the ball and then punta kayo dun sa spot na hindi pa kayo tapos, and then after you make those 3, then babalik kayo. Kailangan nyo bumalik, tapos kailangan nyo ma-perfect yung corner, center, corner shot. This drill is side hop footwork to shoot. So yung drill na to, mga ka-ballers, is in-improve niya yung balance and then footwork natin. So kung gusto nyo mag-improve yung balance and footwork nyo, you just have to do this drill every single time. This drill is 2 moves to pull up. So, galing kayo sa likod, this is a transition drill. Then, you have to do 2 move, any move na gusto nyo. Pwedeng between behind, between cross, whatever move. And then, you just have to shoot the ball. And then, after that, switch side. This drill is cone circle to shoot. Yung gagawin nyo lang, you have to circle around the cone. And then, after that, shoot. Pwedeng clockwise. And then, after that, counterclockwise naman tayo. This drill will enhance your footwork and shooting. This drill is dummy screen, cage to inside-outside pull-up. So, yung cage meaning, ipupunta mo yung kalaban mo sa likod, and inside-outside is parang in and out, pero going outside yung motion mo. And then, you have to pull up. This drill is 4-spot makes drill, no? So, kailangan make siya lahat. Kapag sablay, ulit ka sa umpisa, kailangan talagang kompleto to na sunod-sunod na shoot, no? So, mag-start ka sa layup, then perimeter, then top of the arc na shot, and then other side na perimeter. So, kailangan 4 make straight. Kapag sablay sa pangatlo, kailangan mo siyang ulitin ulit. This drill is ball circles to pull up. So, kailangan mag-figure ka ng circle and then pull up ka agad. So, yung ginagawa natin, pinuput natin yung kalaban natin into slip, no? And then after na mag-slip na siya, and then may opportunity na mag-drive, we just have to drive and then pull up. So, yung step dapat natin dito, mga ka-ballers, is cross step, no? So, ibig sabihin, opposite, kung pupunta ka sa left, right foot dapat ang gagamitin mo.